Hello, hi. So in this video we wanted to recreate a Disney snack that we had when we was over there. We got a cinnamon roll from Gaston's and it was just so delicious and amazing.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden.
Oh my goodness!
Golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, golden, I'll follow only golden, golden.
So I'm just flouring the surface, ready to roll out the dough. I want plenty on there because it's going to be quite a large rectangle. It needs to be 3 by 2 feet.
Walk up the river by my son. Feet step over splinters of the moon. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Gold birds, gold string, gold words, gold anything, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things, golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things.
I've been running most of my life, blowing smoke everywhere around.
So by this point my husband had actually got the tape measure out because it just seemed so big. I didn't know if I'd actually done the measurements right.
Just 2 feet. Not too much further that way. That's 3 feet. From the camera to almost the thing. From the window to the ball and then so it's stretch it down.
If you stay, then baby hold me tight and send me off with the words of a lullaby. With the words of a lullaby.
So here's the dough all rolled out. It needs to be really quite thin.
Send me off with the words of a lullaby.
So I'm just putting the filling inside now. It's just a brown sugar and cinnamon filling, which is delicious. The kids made this earlier on in the day though, so I didn't actually get any footage for this, but basically you just drop it on and spread it out.
Signs in the stars. It's been right in front of me
So now I just roll the dough, a bit like a Swiss roll, and just keep rolling until you've got to the other end. I then made a cut in the very centre of the dough, and then 2 more cuts either side of that, about 6 inches apart, and that gives you your cinnamon rolls. So it may look all calm in this video with my husband in the background, but the kids are arguing and fighting. England are playing in the World Cup and I think they're losing, so my husband's looking a little bit stressed, sat on the settee.
And send me off with the words of a lullaby. With the words of a lullaby. Send me off with the words of a lullaby.
Don't need someone to save me. No, and don't come
So now they're cooked and out of the oven,
running,
I just need to let them cool a little bit before I spread on the cream cheese frosting and drizzle on the butterscotch sauce. But they smell amazing, they look delicious. I would definitely recommend making them. I'll link the recipe in the description down below. But to be quite honest, I could have halved this recipe and it would have been plenty, so they are very, very big.
Something you would never do. Here we are.